All right, there we go.
Awesome. All right, should we just each take one and go around and see how far we get?
Yeah, I haven't gotten too far on these, unfortunately. I'm always the bum that hasn't done much on it.
Oh, whatever.
Sorry.
I know there
We're all
are times you saved me.
No worries.
I'll start.
I'll go ahead and okay, go ahead.
Well, I already submitted this, and I got question 1 wrong, and then everything else I got correct. So the correct answer for question 1: which of the following actions might we logically expect to result from rising stock prices? And that's going to be that firms are going to want to invest or spend more on investments.
That makes sense.
Well,
awesome.
I thought it made sense when I got the wrong answer, but this one makes sense too. Okay.
Awesome. Number 2, I had D for Delta.
That's what I got.
Sweet. Do you have number 3, Brian?
I have to figure it out real quick. That's target interest rate is fallen as far as it can fall. Sometimes described as would that be a open market trap?
I think it's the liquidity trap. B.
That was my next guess.
Yeah.
I gotta pull up the book.
Okay. So, if there's any that you feel super confident on, jump in and do those.
Okay. Yeah. I might like skip ahead a couple and try to figure it out.
Okay.
See if that works.
So question 4, if the Federal Reserve increases money supply, then initially people want to buy bonds so the interest rate falls. And that's because if there's a lot of money circulating, then the money doesn't have as much value. So people will buy more while it's basically cheaper.
That makes sense. Yeah. So let me see here. I have D for Delta for that one.
Yeah, that's what I've got too. D.
Awesome.
And do you want me to just read these, or Garrett, do you want to read some, or how do you want to do this?
Yeah, sure, that's fine. I can read a couple. Okay. So for number 5, I have A for Apple.
That's what I have.
For 5 or for 6?
Well,
5. I guess both, actually.
Yeah, 5, 6 I have, are all A.
Okay. Yeah, I got 7. So for 7, according to liquidity preference theory, an increase in the price level shifts the money demand curve rightward, so the interest rate increases. Right?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Yep, same here.
Awesome. And you guys got 6 was the interest rate on bonds.
Yep.
Okay. So that 6 is A.
Yep. Number 8, I had C for Charlie.
Yes, vertical.
Awesome. Number 9, this was one I wasn't super sure on, but I had A for Alpha.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Okay.
That the
All right. That was just kind of the one that made the most sense. So awesome. Number 10, I kind of had a hard time between choosing A and B. I went with B though, but it was kind of a guess, to be honest.
I got C, Charlie. Everything,
Okay.
the price level, the demand for money, and the equilibrium interest rates all drop. And so the quantity of goods and services demanded go up. And the reasoning behind that is because, if the price for somebody coming and mowing your lawn drops down to $10, then everybody can afford it. And if people are not out there demanding money, then the equilibrium interest rates are going to drop too, to try and encourage people to spend money. And so when all dropped, then the demand for all the services and goods, that's going to increase because everything's less expensive, to try and stimulate the market again.
Gotcha. Okay.
Did that make sense, or did I just talk gibberish?
No, yeah, that made sense for sure.
Sorry.
All right. So for 11, I had C for Charlie.
I had B, Bravo. The interest rate rises, causing a movement along a given aggregate demand curve.
Gotcha. Okay. I'm going to go read some more. Let's see. And I
reasoning behind that, number 11, is when price levels go up, then sellers want to capture more, and so they want the interest rates are going to create more profit for them, and so they're going to raise the interest rates. Not the sellers, but the government, whoever is setting the interest rates. But when the prices go up, the interest level rises as well. These are so confusing to me. I hate them. Just saying.
For sure. Let's see. 12, I wasn't super sure on. I actually had B for Bravo.
That's what I got.
Okay, cool. Good. Awesome. 13, I had A for Alpha.
I got D for Delta. Money demand falls, and so the interest rate falls.
Oh, duh. I totally read this question backwards. Yeah, as GDP falls, the money's definitely gonna. Yeah. Okay. I can't read today, but it's fine.
I think I got 14.
Let's
go for it, Brian.
Is it 600 billion?
Yes. Yeah. Can you explain how you calculated that? Or do you know?
Yeah, let me see if I can walk back through that. So, do you remember how that one time when we had talked about, oh gosh, I don't even know if I could explain this. So yeah, I kind of just like worked through each answer and kind of figured based on like I didn't calculate it as much as kind of figured through the answers which one would be the most accurate.
Well, I found something on Google, and it was just like a formula that was the MPC equals 1 minus whatever. And so I don't know. I just kind of looked, yeah, I guessed on that. And so I had guessed 8 or 6 billion, the proportion to 120 billion, that would be about 0.8. But I didn't have a formula to figure that one out. I'll go back and look at it. I highlighted it yellow on my homework just in case you guys had some clever little quick way to figure that out. Then I was going to ask about it.
Yeah, I don't really have a way that was like, you know, accurate to like actually figuring out a problem like it.
Yeah. Well, I eyeballed this one, and then I found another one online when I was Googling like calculate MPC, and then they produced another example. Anyway, I need to go back and watch the videos that Brother Spalding put for us. It's just I never have time to watch them before these meetings.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to take up time there.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, you're good. Let's see. So for 14, this was one I wasn't super sure on. I was kind of between C and D. I just wasn't exactly sure how to calculate it.
I think we decided C, 600 billion.
Oh, duh. Or sorry, 15 or 14?
That's for 14. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna be quiet now.
But yeah, so 15 I put C.
I have B, Bravo. The stock market boom stimulates consumer spending by 550, and there's a small operative crowding out effect.
Okay. Let me see. That makes sense. I'm gonna go back and read all these after we're done, but I need to read these more. Just a little bit.
I'm glad that we have to do these on Tuesday, but I never feel prepared by Tuesday.
Nope, it's all good. Nobody does. Let's see. 16, I put D for Delta.
Yeah, that's what I have. All the above.
Awesome. 17, same thing. I put D for Delta.
That's what I've got too. Decrease the money supply, which will increase interest rates.
Okay, great. And 18, I put D for Delta.
We have an A and a D trend, don't we? Yeah, that's what I've got to, a D. D for Delta. All three of those are correct.
Awesome. And then 19, I put C for Charlie. This was one I wasn't sure on, but that one kind of made the most sense.
Yeah, that's the one I chose, and it's right.
Great.
Not that I choose right. I wish I could choose. It's open book, you know, and I wish we could do open book on our exams. I'd have better exam scores, but.
I agree. Absolutely. And then 20, I put C for Charlie.
That's what I've got too.
Sweet. Awesome. Good job, everybody.
Thanks, guys. Sorry I'm such a bum with all this. I feel like I never help out.
Brian, just go ahead and get over that right now. We don't feel that way. And you definitely contribute. We all feel that way sometimes, and so it's even. That's why we work together.
Cool. You guys are the best.
Okay, so you're gonna upload that.
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, see, there you go. And that's like totally saves us on our grade too, because neither Garrett or I can figure out how to do that. So that
I can't do them at all.
Our Google Savior. Okay, I'm gonna hop off because I've got other homework assignments to do, but it was a pleasure spending the semester with you too.
Yes, same here. Thank you guys.
Thanks,
good
everybody.
luck going forward.
Yeah, good luck. Yeah, everybody do well.
You too.
Bye.
Live long and prosper.
Wait, what is that? That's this thing, right?
Yeah. There you go.